And now here's Chris Fawkes.
Thanks, Charles. Good morning. And now the shipping forecast issued by the Met Office on behalf of the Maritime and Coast Guard Agency at 05:05 on Wednesday, the 15th of December 2021. There are warnings of gales in Hebrides, Bailey, Fair Isle, Faroes and South East Iceland. The general synopsis at midnight. High over Switzerland 1033, expected white 1035 by 0600 tomorrow. The area forecast for the next 24 hours. Viking, North Utsira, South Utsira. Westerly or southwesterly 5 to 7. Showers, good. Forties, Cromarty, 4th. West or southwest 5 to 7, decreasing 3 to 5, then backing south or southwest 3 or 4 later. Occasional rain, good, occasionally moderate. Tyne, Dogger, Fisher, German Bight, Humber, Thames. West or southwest 4 to 6, veering west or northwest 3 to 5 later. Mainly fair, moderate or good, occasionally poor later in Humber and Thames. Dover, white, Portland, Plymouth. Southwest 3 to 5, becoming variable 2 to 4. Occasional drizzle, moderate or good. Biscay, east or northeast 3 to 5. Fog patches, moderate or good, occasionally very poor. Fitzroy, variable 2 to 4, becoming easterly or northeasterly 4 to 6 in south and east. Fog patches in east, moderate or good, occasionally very poor in east. Seoul, Lundy, Fastnet. South or southwest, backing southeast later in Seoul 3 to 5. Fog patches in East Seoul, moderate or good, occasionally very poor in East Seoul. Irish Sea. Southwest 3 to 5, occasionally 6 at first. Occasional drizzle, moderate or good. Shannon. Southerly or southwesterly 4 to 6. Occasional rain at first. Moderate or good. Rockall, Malin. Southerly or southwesterly 5 to 7, decreasing 3 or 4 for a time. Occasional rain, good, occasionally poor. Hebrides. Southwesterly 5 to 7, occasionally gale 8 at first in north, backing southerly 4 or 5 for a time. Occasional rain later, good, occasionally poor later. Bailey. Southwest 6 to gale 8, backing south 4 or 5 for a time. Showers, squally at first, good, occasionally poor. Fair Isle, Faroes. West or southwest 6 to gale 8, backing south or southwest 3 to 5 later. Showers, squally at first, good, occasionally poor. South East Iceland. Southwesterly 6 to gale 8, backing southerly or southwesterly 4 or 5 later. Showers, squally at first, good, occasionally poor. And the weather reports from the coastal stations for 0400. Tyree automatic. Southwest 6, 3 miles, 1014, rising slowly. Stornoway, southwest 5, 35 miles, 1009, rising more slowly. Lerwick, west-southwest 5, 7 miles, 1007, rising slowly. Lucas, west-southwest 5, 19 miles, 1016, now falling. Bridlington, southwest by west 3, 1022, rising slowly. Sandetti light vessel automatic, southwest 6, 5 miles, 1029. Jersey, southeast by south 2, mist, 1 mile, 1031, rising slowly. Scilly automatic, southwest 4, 8 miles, 1029, rising slowly. Valentia, south by west 4, 12 miles, 1024, now falling. Ronaldsway, southwest 5, 13 miles, 1023, rising slowly. Malin Head, south-southwest 5, 6 miles, 1017, rising slowly. Here is the weather forecast for the inshore waters of Great Britain and Northern Ireland, valid for the following 24 hours and issued by the Met Office at 0500. General situation. A westerly to southwesterly flow lies across the United Kingdom, with strong winds across northern areas and lighter winds to the south. Areas of rain and drizzle continue to move across the United Kingdom. Cape Wrath to Rattray Head including Orkney. Westerly or southwesterly 4 to 6, occasionally 7 in north, backing southerly 3 or 4 later. Occasional rain, becoming mainly fair for a time. Good, occasionally moderate. Rattray Head to Berwick-upon-Tweed. Westerly or southwesterly 3 to 5, occasionally 6 at first, backing southerly later. Mainly fair, occasional rain later. Good, occasionally moderate later. Berwick-upon-Tweed to Whitby. Southwest 4 to 6, decreasing 3 or 4 later. Mainly fair, good. Whitby to Gibraltar Point. Southwest 3 to 5, mainly fair, moderate or good. Gibraltar Point to North Foreland. Westerly or southwesterly 3 or 4, occasionally 5 in north. Mainly fair, moderate or good. North Foreland to Selsey Bill. Westerly or southwesterly 3 or 4, becoming variable 3 or less later. Drizzle at times, moderate or good. Selsey Bill to Lyme Regis. West or southwest 3 or 4, becoming variable 3 or less. Drizzle at times, moderate or good. Lyme Regis to Land's End, including the Isles of Scilly. Southwesterly 3 or 4, becoming variable 3 or less, then southeasterly 3 or 4 later. Occasional drizzle, moderate or good, occasionally poor. Land's End to St David's Head, including the Bristol Channel. Southwesterly 3 to 5, backing southerly 3 or 4 later. Drizzle at times, moderate or good. St David's Head to Great Orme Head, including St George's Channel. Southerly or southwesterly 3 to 5, occasionally 6 at first in far north. Drizzle at times, moderate or good. Great Orme Head to the Mull of Galloway. Southwest 4 to 6, occasional rain in north. Good, occasionally moderate in north. Isle of Man. Southwest 3 to 5, occasionally 6 at first. Mainly fair, good. Loch Foyle to Collingford Loch. South or southwest 3 to 5, occasionally 6 at first. Occasional rain or drizzle, moderate or good. Mull of Galloway to Mull of Kintyre, including the Firth of Clyde and the North Channel. Southwesterly 3 to 5, occasionally 6 at first. Occasional rain, good, occasionally moderate. Mull of Kintyre to Ardnamurchan Point. South or southwest 5 to 7, decreasing west 3 or 4, occasionally 5 later. Occasional rain or drizzle, moderate or good, occasionally poor. Ardnamurchan Point to Cape Wrath. Westerly or southwesterly 4 to 6, occasionally 7 at first in north, decreasing 3 or 4 later, then backing southerly or southwesterly 4 to 6 later. Occasional rain, moderate or good, occasionally poor. Shetland Isles. West or southwest 4 to 6, increasing 6 to gale 8, then decreasing 4 or 5 later. Showers, good, occasionally moderate. That completes the shipping bulletin. I'll be back with a general weather forecast in a few minutes' time, but for now, it's back to Charles.
Chris Fawkes. This is BBC Radio 4. It's 5:30 on Wednesday, the 15th of December. Good morning. This is News Briefing with